Guys ready for the party?
Yeah.
The party parties. Hopefully you're ready for the barbecue.
What barbecue?
Lord have mercy. Okay.
Hate it when that happens.
Sweet mother of pearl. Party party. Okay, I just huckled my berry. Okay, there you go. Okay, that shucks my corn.